On Thursday, news emerged that the England FA confirmed that forward Mason Greenwood had formally requested to switch international allegiance from England to Jamaica. But according to the JFF, this was established from last year and that the player still has an outstanding document to complete the process. Describing the delay in Greenwood completing the process as frustrating, General Manager for the Reggae Boys, Roy Simpson, says the Passport, Immigration and Citizenship Agency, PICA, is still awaiting an important document from the player's mother in order for him to acquire his Jamaican passport. Greenwood qualifies to represent Jamaica through his mother, who was born to a Jamaican father in England.
I think it still, is where it is from the get-go, is just to do a correction of error on a particular document. And my understanding, which has been explained to me by the RGD, is that the mother, who is the child of Greenwood's grandfather, she needs to sign that particular document to correct the error on the grandfather's birth certificate. And that's what is holding it up, just to have her sign that particular piece of document to proceed with concluding on the application.
Simpson added that efforts have been made to help the process along for Greenwood and his family.
A matter of fact, what we have also done, we have also gotten good support from the Minister Councillor in the UK, who has reached out to his mother and who has really been trying on our behalf to get the document signed by her. But I don't know for what reason it is not being done. But I believe that we are eager to have him, and I think they understand that. But I just can't get a reason why the document